So, guys, it's left of actually. So, less than 24 years. So, the market has been falling one kind. So, let's see what's pumping in the market. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. I don't know why the rest are not it. Let me try and post it. Okay, now. So, I think the market actually later reacted to that news, but that was so long. That was so long, so long. Then came to this other block here, reacting on this other block. So now we're going to be chilling. So I should have actually even used this one in the first place. Then we have our good. Switching to a higher time frame. Let me see what it's doing. It's switching to a higher time frame. It's above here. Do we have any other liquidity? Switching to a higher time frame. Maybe it's actually coming here to make equal highs. Switching to a lower time frame. Why is this thing like this? Hopefully it wants to break this high. So let's wait for the news. So let's look at the news, guys. So we have both the GPG USD. Where's my Euro USD? This is my Euro USD here. So these are the two things we are going to be making. Three things rather. Supporting it with my TA. Understand? So let's go back to the news. So let me put we are live already. Please join us. Okay. Ten minutes before the news. I already have everything analyzed in my MT5 here. That's right. So in the last one we did today, we talked about where we can actually take our TP, our point of interest and stuff like that. Okay, let's go to our news. So this was a good news. Oh, minus. Now we shall say green. Green means it will make the market go bluishly. If you don't understand. When you see red, it's telling you that it's dropping. When you see green, it's showing you that it's moving bluishly. So either ways.
How am I supposed to know? How you joking?
So either ways.
Can I get this news on investing.com, the application, the app?
Yeah, you can check the news with the app. I have the app too as well.
Okay, let me check whether I've downloaded the app. Let me check it.
Yeah, so register. You can even send an alert so that I can message you. Because I said I was sleeping actually. So it was the message that actually woke me up. That 15 minutes to 30 minutes, 15 minutes to the news. So now, guys, 9 minutes, less than 10 minutes to the news. I'm even so happy the promo stuff will end today. So we might just start the real deal. Eight minutes. So now that wasting our time. Yeah, 7 minutes here. That's good. So now let's before that let's use baby pips. Let's use baby pips. Okay. So if you don't understand what I'm actually saying now or going to say, you will lay back to the video link I actually shared in the group yesterday. I actually did the news around 1:30. Is it 1:30 or 3:30? But so they missed. Even though the signal we gave was valid, we wanted to go long, but because of the way it was low, I told everybody to exit the trade just for me to come back now and see that the trader started reacted. But still, we are okay. And that's because we actually planned on taking this evening's one. Okay. So looking at the baby pips, 16:30. Okay. Sounds good. So 7 o'clock. Is today Wednesday? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday now. September 18th. Why do you not put in USD there? by 7. They are putting GPT. I'm not going to make a mistake in wait though. I didn't make mistake now. This is USD now. What's baby pips doing? Oh, that was in the morning. Sorry. Okay. So now let's see this federal funds rate. Let's see what it's actually talking about. Now, the usual event, a higher than expected rate is positive, bullish for the USD, while a lower than expected rate is negative for the USD. That is, this is the expected rate, the 5.5. This was the previous 5.5. So now the actual now is actually going to determine whether the United States dollar index is actually going to be bullish or bearish. Do you understand, guys? So we refresh this exactly at 19 o'clock. Refresh this exactly at 19 o'clock. Please just mute your mic upon entry, guys. So we have similar events that are actually going to happen around it. We have the federal funds rate, we have the FOMC economic projection, the interest rate projection, That was a lot longer. This one current interest rate projection 3rd year, interest rate projection 2nd year, interest rate projection 1st year. And we have the Fed press conference too. That one has an high impact too in the United States dollar index. You understand? So we're here for the United States dollar index though. So let's leave.
Hello, Ross.
Let's leave the remaining.
What do you think?
Let's leave. Let's leave the remaining.
Okay. What motion text in
So 5 minutes more, guys.
Any possibility any Wednesday till.
Sorry about that, guys. So 5 minutes, guys. Let's go. Let's see our 3 charts: the GBP USD, the Euro USD. You understand? GBP USD, the Euro USD. Where is this thing? Four minutes more. Okay, right here. It's saying 3 minutes more. So for those that said they cannot join, but I should give the signal, just give the signals now and share the parameters later. And I hope it meets with the parameters.
Which area? The cupboard. I'm not sure I wash them. No wash them.
What does it cheat like?
Oh my God. Give me.
I'll go to Fundamnetals. Put my account down. That only particular weekend. Particularly actually, what do you what is the how does that bring money? Yes, see, we go to Mama will.
Yeah, 2 minutes more, guys.
We buy two for one job. I think each particular
Hope we are watching closely. We have a minute more, a minute more, a minute more, a minute more, a minute more. I might not be taking it on the. I might not be.
This is where I used to go for my Marwa in the
Okay.
morning. This is
Okay.
where I used to promise. From my house, I will show you my
Okay.
brother now.
Please,
Wow.
Yeah, please, mute those people. I mean, it's too much noise.
But the people can never be like Basha. Because we don't talk like
so guys, I'm trying to. Okay, now 5.1. This is actually bluish. This is bluish, this is bluish, this is bluish, this is bluish. Direction is 2.1. So the market is actually going to buy, guys. Actually going to buy. First year projection. Okay. Okay, let's wait for the. Actually going to buy. Let's look at. Okay, it's actually sorry, it's actually going to sell. Sorry, it's bluish. So everything will. Can you see what I'm saying now, guys? I'm very sorry. So it was bluish, yeah. You see? So the good news, the expected for 4.6, 5.1, 3.6, 2.9, 5.6, 2. They're actually greater than the what? They're actually greater than the expected. You understand? So now the USD dollars is actually very strong. So every pair trading against it has to fall. Gold is dropping, Euro USD is already dropping. Can you see how hard is actually dropping? The GPUSD still will be dropping. So you guys can place your sell. Or if you are not yet in, wait for it to retrace a little bit upward. Then you place your sell. You understand, guys? That's it. That's it. Let's check for gold must be dropping. Place your sell on gold. Enter your gold on enter sell on your gold. Gold has not actually moved like that. So you can place your sell on gold. It's already moving too. Place your sell on gold. If it goes up, it's an opportunity for you to come to join the. Let's go for Euro USD. Let's be aware of the. Do you know there's actually another news down there? Wow, interesting. That's for Euro. We give it up for Euro USD. We give it for Euro USD. So that's good for Euro USD. It's dropping. So let's check for GPD USD too. Where is it? Should be dropping too. Where's my GPD USD? Okay, see here. GPD USD is actually even dropping. Guys, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy, guys. This is so crazy, guys. This is so the GPD USD. I didn't even drop the signal. I thought I was going to drop the signal. Wow, that was crazy. I'm sorry, guys. Fuck. So we'll work on the parameter very soon. Let's just keep on. Let me try and send it to the. That's why it's actually okay when everybody is online. Everybody will be able to see. In fact, you now have to be multitasking. Have to send to the group. I'll have to take your own personal trade. This is so alarming. I just hope you guys are in, sure. It's dropping hard. So I'm trying to point a place where by the time the news is done, we are trying to find a place that there will be a change in direction that is actually going to go off back. Let's check good back. Okay, for instance, now let's say that's for good. Good is actually coming down. Let's check back to the. Okay, they've not given us the statement for this. This 3 statement has not yet actually happened, guys. So just find a way of keep on holding. We don't know if this 3 is going to be bluish or bearish. So I'll just say this. I don't know. I can't actually even be saying this now. I'll be dropping it online again. But now let's expect this 3 now. This 3 is actually going to make the market crazy. Okay, you see, it has high impact. So we are waiting for the news.
Thank you very much indeed. Big night in the Champions League, isn't it? And what a game to kick it off in Group A with Bayern Munich against Manchester United, 9 European.
Okay, for this.
United.
Okay, we have the 5.0 already paid interest rates. FMC statement. We are not giving that projection. We're not giving that. Okay, this is still actually good. The market should be falling. The market should still be falling.
Big call. Fernandez, Rashford, and Højlund make up the starting 11. So Rasmus Højlund keeping his place in the weekend. So it's just one change from that weekend. 3-1 defeat to Brighton.
This is a drop, man. I'm trying to look at possible places might change reversal.
Harry. There's been, we know it's been a poor start to the season for Manchester United.
GBP USD.
Would it have been
gold dropping? What else are we trading? Let me take this off. So it won't
close.
I also even though some of you, because actually I know most of you are not in this trade. So even though you are not in this trade, I just hope you're actually getting 1 or 2 in case of next time. Because I personally, I was only able to enter 1. Okay, GBP is already moving upward. So now, if you are not yet in GBP USD, place your sell at 1.24022. Your sell limit, you understand? Then put your stop loss above here. We don't want to put it somewhere that is actually accessible. You put your entry here, you enter around this place. You get me? This is a breakout that block. This is a breakout that block.
There's lots of teams that are going to struggle with that block.
These are breakout blocks.
And I think them Man United squad at the moment.
You can risk it by putting. Hello, you can risk it by putting. Let me say 0.01 sell around this place. You understand? This is a breakout. This is a breakout that block. You understand? So you can put your 0.01.
One of the best strikers there is in world.
Around this place. You understand? And if it comes here too, we put 0.1 lot size. You understand? But it comes here, we'll be putting like 5 lot size. You understand? So we are safe trading. So that's that about that. So let's go for gold. Gold is actually dropping. Gold is dropping. I'm not taking. We are taking our TP on. This is actually a breakout block for gold already too. You understand? So when gold gets here, when it gets here, to the bottom of the breakout that block here, you enter your sell again. Enter sell. Oh, this is making noise. Okay. Then you put 0.05. I'll put my stop loss above the breakout block. My stop loss here above the breakout block. Now what else again? Let's go for the Euro USD. This is just going crazy. I don't think this one actually needs to. It already breaks the.
pushing the boat and not getting
Was the
a
other
hurricane.
block.
I just find it a real
Well,
strange.
it's broke it already. So
About this many a times and
to me,
like
place.
hurricanes.
Should I place?
No.
Should I place?
The figures,
This is another breaker block.
everything that hurricane do,
You have a lot of breaker block.
everything in a package there. So why would money to bring him into the football club? I'm just really baffled at, and I think
So
Gary
can you see, guys?
makes a
Can
real
you see?
balance.
I know I've not actually taught you the breaker block, but I've taught you the other blocks. I'm sure of that. We'll talk about that in our normal classes. Can you see? It came for the breaker block here. That's why I told you to enter around this place for your 0.01. You're just safe trading. With the lowest loss size, you still have 1.27. You understand? So we'll try to take our TP around. Let me look. The news is done actually.
Solidarity, where you're going to
Gold is dropping. Gold is showing no mercy.
I just don't see Manchester United moving forward unless they resolve.
I hope I share this to everybody.
Let's still hold the gold because I just left gold now.
We are taking our TP around gold around this other block here. So you can just put your TP to
Okay.
1934.16.
Okay.
Understand? But always lock in profit. So when I'm actually saying, when I'm talking about how to lock in profit, guys, this is what I mean. Now, you know, your entry. Okay, let me use that gold for example. And that's in case of incasity. So next time you just have to just like, this is my stop loss now. My stop loss was actually here before. You understand? So when I'm saying put your lock your trading profit, you understand? You have to just swipe it low. You understand? Swipe it low. And network is actually having issue. You just bring it like you put it below your entry before your entry.
No.
You understand? That's what they mean by locking profit. But the fact that it's actually going towards it, you can leave it and can still put it there so that it will close for you in profit and you re-enter. But to me, I think it's actually going to be a good thing for me to re-enter. My network is a little bit slow here. I don't know what's actually happening. I'm trying to see. I don't know the current situation of this thing.
So what? We'll talk about that very shortly indeed. He wants us to play it down. We won't. Just I'm going to put you on Kane before we.
I can't see what good is doing.
United. We found out for a while that
it's not
hit.
GBD
Do you
USD.
think he'll end up back at Spurs one day? I mean, it'd be out of character for Daniel Levy to sign a 34-year-old. He's never done that before. Not for money anyway. I'm sure Harry Kane in 2 or 3 years is still going to be a valuable commodity. He's going to win the domestic league there. I'm sure of that. Maybe go very, very close in the Champions League, and then how Man City feel about that. But he's gone to achieve trophies. I think he loves Tottenham Hotspur. He knew he had to leave. He's given a fantastic service.
I don't know why my trading platform is a little bit hanging.
Certainly out of character for the chairman to bring someone back.
Normally, this was supposed to be our TP1. This was supposed to be our TP1 normally. You understand? What's the trend?
And I'm sure if he's just there for
Still going back in.
probably. Let's just bring it back to Manchester United. So
But I'm very sure it's actually coming down here. See now, see if you ever look gap. It has to fill all this gap. You understand? But at the same time, it has actually left another fair value gap around this place. Probably it might want to pick this once, you understand, before coming down. So I'll advise you to shift since we didn't actually we're actually out of time. Less than 10 minutes. But since we didn't actually take it, I actually took it from here in my real account, but this is a demo account just to show you guys. So I might just advise you that okay, fine, we should just shift this our stop loss. You know, we are trading news. You don't want to put your stop loss where it's actually portable. You understand? Fundamentals are always sure. So it might be coming here to this other block and this other block here. You understand? To fill this gap before coming to fill this gap. Trading is all about psychology. You understand? So now I said I was actually going to teach you how you're actually going to even be able to calculate your loss before it happened. Your loss before it happened, so that you actually have the one thing about that thing is actually bring peace of mind, because even before the thing hits your stop loss, you already know the amount you want to lose. You understand? So maybe I'll write a book about that one. I'll just drop it. You understand? So
You said we're out of time. Like, do you mean that if you're trading news, like there's a limit of, like there's a time limit in the
yeah,
first 10 minutes you have to?
no, I'm talking about Zoom, the meeting platform we are using. We have 8 minutes more.
Okay.
So that's what
You
I'm
can
trying
open
to.
another meeting if this one closes now.
Okay, no problem. So many decisions around this place. Okay. Let's check our Euro USD. Euro USD is Euro USD. So, like, do you guys get the aspect of trading news now? Let's forget the fact that this was already drawn. Everything was already drawn before. Let's forget that fact. When I actually came in, for the first people that actually saw me online, like what that was there when I was online, I was not drawing anything. I was just waiting for the news to happen. You understand? And boom. You understand? So that's it. That's it. You guys might actually be faster than me to see it. Just click on the sell. If the market has not yet moved yet, click on the sell. If it is not that I was actually, like, let me say, doing a class, I would have actually spotted this quicker than this. You understand? Because I'll be on my phone, I'll be on everything, I'll be looking at the chat. But it will be like one phone for the news, one phone for for making, how will I say it? For making one phone for the news, one for the system for making the news, the phone for taking the trade. But the fact that I have to let you guys see the screen of the chat, then go back to the news. You understand? So that's actually what happened. That's why it was not quick like this. But the fact that I've taught you guys and you guys already know how it works, so it's more or less like a win-win. It's a win-win. So good wants to fall in back. So let me draw this thing now. We take our sell. This is going to be sweet, like very, very sweet. Where's the other block again, sir? Other block, where are you? So we might take our sell around here again and put our stop loss here. You understand? So now, to you guys, what does this look like? This will look like head and what? Head and shoulder. You understand? But normally, in better ways, we call it Quasimodo pattern. You understand? So you can take your buy here. You understand? I'm not closing this because it's actually a demo account, but I'm still leaving it because I know it's still going to sell. You understand? Because the amount I'm risking for it is how much? Let me see. We are using MT5. It's easier for you to know the amount you are risking. I'm risking like $20. You understand? For it to hit here, stop loss. But the fact that I'm even sure that it's not going to hit there is another thing. You understand? So I'm beginning to see that if the market should come here, you understand, I'll put my another sell, but I'm still leaving it. You understand? So if it comes here, it's a win for me. It's for me a Quasimodo pattern, which is a bearish this thing. You understand? So this was supposed to be our first TP. You understand? Because of the low. So, and if you should come here, this is where it's going to be our first TP because of the other block is actually going to leave around here. See, assuming it was bluish like this. This will be the other block. Okay, sorry, this will be the other block, so it's going to leave to move. You understand? It needs to be our TP1. Then the last low, which is this, will be our TP2. What we are very sure is that it's coming here, but we don't know what they want to play. You understand? Before then, that's why we're making our TP to be very, very close like that. It's actually coming here. I'm certain of that. Sooner or later, it's coming here. So actually hope understand. Can you now see the difference between the first news we did then and this news now? You understand? I mean, I was expecting it to go up, so go up. I'm expecting it to go up. So just see this one. This will be you call this one. You can even place a, let's wait though. You can even enter
Is there any reason? Is there any reason why this one reacted faster than the other than that 3 o'clock one?
Yeah, I talked about it. Now, if you look at you can actually use a small lot size and risk buy. You understand? When you risk buy, you put your TP around here. You can just use a lower this thing, use a lower lot size, a lower lot size for this one. Because in this kind of situation, we are going against the real deal. The real deal is sell. You understand? But the fact that we are assuming the market wants to pick an order here, you understand? That's why I say you can actually enter buy. But it is safe for you to just chill and let it come here and enter sell. You understand? But someone like me that sometimes I just want to eat everything of their move. I'm going to place buy here, and when it gets here, I'll close and I'll place sell again. Then I'll place another sell with 3 positions, 2 positions. If I open 2 positions here, I'll open 3 positions here. You understand? Of the same lot size. You understand? And the fact that I'm very sure he's actually going to pick this one later, that's why I'm not closing this one. You understand? Though, depending on some brokers, because if actually went in loss, they might want to swap or stuff like that. That's why it's actually good again for you to pick progress. Now, the main reason why we are not closing this one yet is because the market might not come like this. You understand? It might not reach here. And if you actually close here already, there might not be another entry for you to enter again. You understand? So that's one thing about this trading. Know what you are doing. Once you know what you are doing, the rest is easy. I think GBTUSD has reached a point. Did it reach this thing? I don't think it did. Is there another this thing around there? Let's look. Maybe there was another breaker block around there that wants to go and meet. Another breaker block. Okay, this was the one we entered for. Okay, this is another breaker block. Another breaker block. Okay, I'm going to enter another sell. So one thing about this thing is if gold is buying, GBTUSD will be buying. If GBTUSD is buying, gold wants to buy. You understand? So that's it. That's the how will I say it? The secret between the two pairs. So when this class ends, you can actually use the link again to join. You understand? So let's look at the
That thing you said, say it again, please. You said GBP, if GBP wants to buy gold, to buy it too.
Yes. They work. If you notice, just from today, notice they work hand to hand. You understand?
Okay.
What's this? Okay, now. So now, someone asked me a question that what was the difference between why the 3 o'clock didn't react fast and this reacted fast? Now look at the 3 o'clock. Okay, let's talk about that in the next this because we have less than a minute already. So let me even end this now so you guys can join again. I'll end it now so you guys join again now.